Zhuzhou Depari Cemented Carbide Company, Limited, located in the National High-Tech Development Zone, Zhuzhou City, Hunan Province. We are a high-tech leading enterprise integrating scientific research, production, sales and technical services. In the process of steady development, we keep working and cooperating with multiple scientific research institutions. Product design, R&D, capability have rapidly improved. Our main products cover turning, milling, drilling, grooving, processing and other cutting tools are widely used in aerospace, rail transit, automotive, 3C industries, having a very high reputation and market recognition both in mainland China and global market. Depari has general contracting capability. Depari has the ability to undertake general contracting and can provide customized practical solutions according to user needs.